Did somebody call me? Be careful, it's quite an old box. No, not that. Thanks, sunshine. Refreshingly sweet. Yeah. Hey, you're getting my clothes wet. I'm being liquidated. Oh, God. Whee! Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? Hey, let's get down to business. Oh, excuse me. Don't get my box wet. That's not good. No. Care to dance? Want to trade places? Well. Do you know anyone famous? Mind if I catch a nap here? Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? Fetch me some coffee, please. I live in a box. Do you know of any puppet modeling agencies? Oh, pardon me. Babushka! I'm not happy that way. My bones! Do you like playing games? I know, Mr. Fantastic! Excuse me. No. I know! Help me! Don't! Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Can you turn me toward the TV? Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Hey, get me all broken. Boring. I'm a pirate. Arr! Just kidding. Oh! No! Oh, God! Choose something else. I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, all right? Just call me Indiana. Dun, dun, dun. It's a never. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while.
This is rather peaceful.
Time out! That's my world.
Matryoshka!
Yeah, keep that. Have you been to the moon? No, not that. Make it stop! Make it stop! I wish it would last forever. Steamboat Willie. Enough! Oh, the pain! The pain! You might want to put that back. Oh, excuse me. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. You're killing me! Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Ooh, nice fingers you got there. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? Truce! No match for you! No, not that. That's not good. Do I look taller now?